Significance of fixed income securities. As I mentioned a little while ago, globally, the size of equity is $120 trillion and the size of debt market is $300 trillion. So that means the mere size of debt equity market gives us an idea as to what kind of work is involved in case of valuation of fixed income securities. And what is the role of valuation इन फिक्स्ड इनकम सिक्योरिटीज़? तो फिक्स्ड इनकम सिक्योरिटीज़ का जो डेट मार्केट है, इस मार्केट में और जो बॉन्ड मार्केट है उसमें वैल्यूएशन क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है, वैल्यूएशन क्यों करना चाहिए, एंड द वैल्यूएशन, व्हाई द वैल्यूएशन हैज़ टू बी डन इन केस ऑफ फिक्स्ड इनकम सिक्योरिटी. नंबर वन, valuation of different financial assets and liabilities is required for the purpose of decision making, because there are a lot of players in the securities market, in the fixed income securities market. And who these players are, number one, portfolio manager, investment funds. Number three, Treasury Department of Corporates. Number four, banks and financial institutions. Number five, insurance companies. Number six, pension funds. Number seven, mutual funds. Number eight, venture capital and equity funds. And number nine, wealth management funds. So these are some of the players that I have mentioned who are there in the fixed income securities market or debt market or bond market. Now, all these players that I have just spoken, all these players need to continuously keep taking decisions about the fixed income securities. तो सीधी सी बात है, अगर आपको किसी इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में या डाइवेस्टमेंट के बारे में डिसीजन लेना है तो आपको उस इन्वेस्टमेंट को और उस डाइवेस्टमेंट को वैल्यू करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ वैल्यूएशन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ फिक्स्ड इनकम सिक्योरिटीज. नंबर टू, you also have to do the buy, sell and hold decisions by the market players. So all these people, wealth management fund, pension fund, and so many of them, they will have to, having invested in a company, they will need to take a decision whether to hold that investment or to dispose that investment off, or to acquire some more shares of that company or some more securities of that issuer so as to maximize your profit. And number three, the valuation is also required for the purpose of investment planning and portfolio management. So friends, these are the number of reasons as to why valuation is necessary in the context of fixed income securities. And these are the 9 players that I mentioned to you, which are there in the context of fixed income securities market or debt market or bond market. Now, finally, who are the people who need value in the who needs to decide the value in the context of fixed income securities? तो कौन लोग हैं जिनको की वैल्यू की ज़रूरत पड़ती है? तो ये जो लोग हैं, and these are, number one, you have valuation professionals. They in any case need, because they are the valuation professionals, so they have to do the valuation. Number two, investment advisors, they need to do the valuation. Number three, the financial analysts, they need to do the valuation. And number four, investment analysts or investment advisors, they also need to do the valuation. So friends, this is the significance of valuation in the context of fixed income securities, or significance of fixed income securities to valuation. Remember, as I said earlier, equity हो, डेरिवेटिव हों, फिक्स्ड इनकम सिक्योरिटीज़ हों, इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स हों या बिजनेस वैल्यूएशन हो, कुछ भी हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. अल्टीमेटली एज ए वैल्यूएशन प्रोफेशनल, our role and our responsibility and obligation is to find out fair value, of that asset or that liability, so that our client could arrive at a profitable decision for himself. And that is the significance of fixed income securities, and that is the reason why we have fixed income securities as part of our course curriculum.